Hey guys, this is Mike Durr, the Kingwood mortgage guy, and I'm with James Hargrove of Kingwood.
How are you?
And today we're going to talk about pre-qualification, and I thought it'd be good to get James's perspective on what the pre-qualification means. That's what happens when you get a pre-qualification and not a pre-approval, when you didn't verify for real that the person could get a qualification. So it's critical. These guys don't want to engage. They don't want to spend their gas money. They don't want to be driving you around if you don't really are able to buy.
Well, Mike, it's definitely important in today's lending environment, today's purchasing environment, that you're pre-qualified for your mortgage when you go out to shop. If you're making an offer on a home, you're a buyer, you're looking at the listings out there, sellers are going to want to know that you're pre-qualified, and you're going to want to know what price range you can shop in, what your mortgage is going to cost you, what it's going to take for you to truly get into that home. Last thing we want to do is look at $200,000 homes when you're maybe qualified for a little more, a little less. You know, we want to be in neighborhoods that are going to work for you.
So here's the deal. When you're getting a pre-qualification deal, all I'm going to do is I'm going to need to get some information from you so I can pull your credit. That's the first thing we're going to look at to make sure that you qualify and what loan that you qualify for. The other thing that's really important to most of the agents, I think James will agree with this, is I need to get verification of your income. Now, it could be that I get a paycheck stub, but I'll be honest with you, today I actually need a copy of your tax return to be able to give you a bona fide pre-qualification, which is what these guys want.
That's correct, Mike. We kind of make sure we're pre-qualified when we're out shopping, make sure all the numbers are right. That way, once we get under contract, the closing process is that much more seamless. That's right, and the worst thing is we get under contract and find out that the loan officer maybe didn't do his job as thoroughly as he should, and the contract just isn't going to close no matter how much we want it to, whether it be a DTI issue, overtime wasn't calculated correctly, something of that nature. Your lender really needs to look at it first to make sure that all the ducks are in a row, and Mike, the Kingwood mortgage guy, is perfect at doing that for you.
Well, thank you for that, James. Listen, I take it seriously because I don't ever want to be in a position where we give you a pre-qualification and guess what? You don't really qualify. You're going to be spending money you don't want to spend for a house that you wanted, but you're not going to be able to get. So the pre-qualification process is very important. It's a huge part of this process.
Right, and Mike, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you can do that in a matter of moments almost, as long as everything's provided to you.
It takes about 5 minutes, and guess what? It's free. Now, there's some guys out there who charge you. I guarantee you, if you want to get a free pre-qualification, call 281-348-9899, the Kingwood Mortgage Guy.
Thanks, Mike. Glad to be here today.